Hello Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 7th of May. Cancer, let's see what is in your reading for today. My Cancerian placements. We are asking the community, please. Amara Le Negra. We're asking the community, please, before you Amara, please have a caution sign at your door. We cannot guarantee if you're that dark-skinned Spanish girl, you're not gonna make you go mad. Please, we're asking the public, listen, election just, Mark Carney just win. Trump is signing new bills. The government does not have time for de-escalate situations between men who are fucking Amara, La Negra. I never know how her pussy is. And that woman have twins. She have 2 babies already and she have 2 men fighting over her in these seasons of Love and Hip Hop. We're asking the public, please be cautious when you're fucking Amara, La Negra. Yeah. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer. Amara is... Bro, Amara 2 years older than me. This is crazy, Brody. This is crazy. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Cancer. We have the Hangman coming out first, Cancer. Okay, so I'm getting realization. This could be love after motherhood. Maybe you go through motherhood already. Now you're trying to find love again. You know, I'm getting, you see, how love love usually have a general look, but maybe for you, love before you had kids and love after you have kids look 2 different ways to you. Okay, I'm getting you searching for something, but it have to be different because you have kids now. We have the 6 of Wands. All right, now this could be dating people in the public eye. Maybe there's a lot of people in the public eye who want you and you're like, I ain't dating these famous people. Girl, me not lie. Me not know. It depends. If me I date a famous man and him not fuck on me, is okay. But if him famous and known for fuck on him women, me not date him. I'd rather be the famous one and date a nobody. I'll be very honest. We have a 10 of swords. Yeah. Me getting you saying all of them famous people and them just want you, your relationship is going to be in the public, and then eventually them gonna dog you. At least if you have nobodies and you get dog, nobody care because you're there with nobodies. But you know, I feel like you're the type of person, regardless if your relationship is good or it's bad, people like to watch you in a relationship. I'm getting people are very curious about your love life, how you navigate it. Maybe you're an inspiration to people when you are in toxic relationships and you get out of it, and people can be like, whoa, she really did that. Yeah, leave that motherfucker alone, right? We have the Knight of Swords and we also have the 6 of Pentacles. We have 66 here, 6 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles. So me getting baby for TV, relationships for TV. Me getting something is kind of, it seems like it's for the TV. So maybe you're dating a famous person, me getting them don't really seem like them genuinely like interested in you. It's all about the TV and the cameras. Every time them see a camera, every time them see a fucking camera, them skin catch a fire. That nigga went into a gas station and saw the fucking camera in the gas station that's supposed to be used to protect the gas station in order for people to get catch if them rob it. And that nigga skin catch a fire, he want to perform for the fucking gas station camera. Me getting you saying if me there with famous people, my business going to be out there. But me getting, sweetie, do you not remember that you're famous too? You might not be the more famous one, but you're famous too. Maybe you're with somebody and, I don't know, maybe you're with somebody who famous and you feel, I don't know how you feel, maybe you feel like, okay, for example, you're there with a famous man and you're trying to continue your fame. I mean, getting your followers is nothing compared to the followers of the famous man. No, if you're insecure, you're jealous. If you're not insecure, you'll tell the man you can come on my thing now every day. You can just pass in the background. Just pretend you're not even looking at me, just pass in the background for up my viewers. You will use it as an advantage and the man will be like, hey, you know, I don't mind, you know. The man can't show him face on your shit. At least him not owned by another woman, right? So if you're insecure, you'll be like, you always steal a spotlight from me. You have fans already, and every time I'm trying to build something for myself, you always overshine me. That's a jealous partner. That's a jealous partner. Every single time we go out, you dress up so nice and you always outshine me. Can you not put on a dress? Can you not put on makeup? Can you not put on earrings? Can we just go to the store normal? Is a jealous partner you have. And let me tell you something. If there's anything Keke Palmer showed us, dating a nobody can still make you jealous. Because how the fuck you going to be upset because Keke Palmer was dancing with the nigga who danced with fucking Michael Jackson? When Michael Jackson had his fucking big 50th birthday party and he was dancing to You Rock My World, You Know You Did. Usher came up on the fucking stage with Michael Jackson. You're upset because, first of all, me just gonna say these men. Men, me know sometimes you're delusional and you like to pinpoint on women. Usher don't want your bitch. You have to know that. Usher get pussy more than you get blood clot money. You think she's so disrespectful. Look how she danced with Usher. Look how she make Usher touch you. Usher now want your blood clot, girl. You think your blood clot girl can't do nothing for Usher? So insecure because the blood. Usher is the king of. I can't find what him is the king of yet. But him is one of the biggest, the OGs. I never hear Usher in a nasty thing like them mania. Oh, my bitch dancing up with Usher. My bitch can't come home. Usher don't want your blood clot, bitch. You think Usher want that? You know how much pussy a blood clot follow Usher? Pussy a follow Usher till Usher have a blood clot the night. You think Usher want your blood clot, girl? She's good enough for you. She not blood clot good enough for him. You think that girl can walk on blood clot red carpet with Usher? The hangman is clarified by the 10 of Wands. Or me not know, because I'm getting you saying when you go out with your man, you only want to think about you going out as a date. But when you go out, you always have to be professional because cameras up in your face. Me don't know who you're dating. The 6 of Wands is clarified by the 8. Are you dating a Sagittarius? Me getting you date a Sagittarius celebrity. Is a star. Him is a celebrity. Is a Sagittarius. Me don't know if him is an entertainer, if he's an athlete, or me don't know what him do for a living. But me getting the man while you're dating, him is a Sagittarius. He has a lot of fans. Now, if the man while you're dating have a lot of fans, as in groupies, well, if you're a celebrity, you're gonna have groupies. I don't know if you're there with a man who a lot of girls that chase them. That is fine. I just want to know you're not blood clot entertain none. She want to chase you, make she chase you. She want to take pictures with you, make she take a picture with you. I'm not going to tell you to deny your fans if you're a artist or if you're one working class athlete. Girls are going to throw themselves at you. I am not telling you for just deny. But what I am saying, you have to know when the blood clot line draw. Of every girl that go want to take picture with you, that's their potential for meet you and hopefully fall in love. Brittany Renner just Brittany Renner did an interview with Kevin Gates, and see years later now they're married. She there with him. But you need to know, it depends on what kind of man you're there with. Is a man who loose with him dick, or is a man who is very, very headstrong? Because athletes can go 2 ways, because you can't palm base while you train. So it's either your athlete boyfriend fuck him, I go fuck everything under the blood clot son, or because him used to being on base and training without having sex and you can't bring girls on the base, me getting him can go like a year, long periods without sex. Even though him full of woman. It can go 1 or 2 ways with athletes. Either them you know, like army men, them on base so long, them away from pussy. That no mean some of them fucking each other, but others of them not fuck the females in the army. Them a wait upon them wife at home. When them get discharged and go back home, them can enjoy pussy and go back on base. So there's some type of militants, like there's a type of discipline that's built. Athlete, I don't know, them will fuck on you. They will fuck on you, just like how they did fucking Khloe Kardashian. Pair her with fucking Tristan fuck on her. Then them pair her with Odom, fuck on her. You see? Beer athletes, them will fuck on you. You have to be careful. What kind of athlete? What kind? It depends on what kind of athlete. Sagittarius is an entertainer, him gonna fuck on you too. I don't know how I feel about that. Some of them will use to the... Okay, look at a guy like Machine Gun Kelly. No, me no Megan fuck same fuck on her. Him don't give me fucking on women vibe. He does not give me that. Especially with him black daughter. Machine Gun Kelly does not give me the vibe that he will fuck on a girl. I saw the ritual that Megan Fox put him through. You think no man that you think any man a blood clot participating in that? You tell a man for buy a Birkin bag, them a tell you say you're a prostitute. You think any man that participate in a blood ritual with you? Machine Gun Kelly does not. Me not say I'm not a cheater. He does not give me the vibe that he would have fucked on a girl if him there with her. Eminem does not give me the vibe. Me never get a fucking vibe. Me never get a cheating vibe from Eminem before. And Eminem and Machine Gun Kelly don't like each other. Well, on a very similar. You guys are white. Well, Eminem is kind of black. Well, Machine Gun Kelly is black. Who is blacker? You think Machine Gun Kelly is blacker because he have a black daughter, or is Eminem blacker? This is a debate for the Caucasian people. Anyways, right? Eminem stay the same way too. Me never get a fucking vibe from Eminem. Me never get a vibe say if if I'm delusional, I'ma say me and Eminem together. Marshall, what you want to eat this morning, Marshall? If me not get a vibe saying what the fuck on me. I'm not saying him would or would not, but me just never got a cheating vibe from Eminem. Me never get a cheating vibe from Machine Gun Kelly either. Others me get Kevin Gates, yes. Future, yes. The other man them definitely. At least those Tyrese never give me a mega fuck on your vibe. Never. I could have said to me, if me say okay, me and Tyrese a fuck. Me not think Tyrese would have fuck on me. I don't get a cheating vibe from men like that. So you do have exceptions to the rule. But at the same time, you're there with an entertainer. You see, when people have everything at them disposal and them choose for walk away. Oh, Logic. You know Logic? Logic don't give me a cheating vibe. Logic. Who else? J. Cole. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. J. Cole don't give me a cheating vibe either. Me not look upon him and say you're one cheater. You're a fuck. And baby! Yo, I do not know you. How could you say? We were fucking last night. How could you? Me don't get those from certain man. Me not get the vibe from. But I'll be honest with you. Me making it in the industry, me rather date a nobody. Me rather going on one blood clot Wendy's or going on one Burger King, go look for one QQ cashier and be like, what you doing later? Me rather do that to him. Me rather say, yeah. Me rather do that than for them with a big artist, celebrity. What chances are, because them have everything at them? No, it's very biased to say that. Because what if me famous, what makes me have the ability to not fuck on a man, but me saying another famous man don't have the ability to fuck on me? It just depends on who you're with. Michael Jackson never strike me as a cheater. Him is the king of pop. Look how much girl you want, Michael Jackson. He had to sing a song, Billie Jean is not my love. She's just a girl who thinks I'm the one. But the kid is not my son. He did a smash hit song called Billie Jean. The way how woman a follow him. Michael Jackson never strike me as a man who would have go behind my back and fuck upon me. I mean, him is a big, nobody know who bigger than him. Which rapper bigger than Michael? Michael was very monogamous. Very. Him not fuck nobody. I think he was a virgin at 30. That's what I think. So it just depends on what type of person you're there with. But me getting there with a Sagittarius. Good luck. 10 of Swords clarified by the King of. So me getting somebody have a lot of. Me getting a phone full of a blood clot woman. Somebody phone full of a woman. Or you subscribe to a lot of women. Ed Sheeran. Me don't get a cheating vibe from Ed Sheeran. Me don't feel like him did there with Ed Sheeran and him fuck upon me. Me don't get that. There's certain men who me see, me watch, me study, and me like, if me hear say you fuck on a girl, me gonna be very surprised. Me did not expect it from you. But of course, every girl that girl never expect future for fuck on her. So, I mean, to each is them own. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Page of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Pentacles. It just depends on who you're with and them experience, them upbringing. You can find men who are very, very monogamous and loyal, even though they're in very, very high positions. Look upon Prince Harry and Meghan. Was there ever allegation that Prince Harry fucked on her? No. You don't think you can get pussy galore? That's why when I see some of them man here, when I meet on dating site, and them I talk about, you want 2 girls on each arm. Yeah, you're a nobody. Yeah, he's a nobody. All with blood clot, 280,000 blood clot followers. You is a nobody. Nobody a blood clot Jamaica don't know your blood clot name, sir. You think your blood clot $280,000 robot can blood clot bill you? He's a nobody. China no blood clot know you. Nobody don't know you. Well, you talk about how you want 2 bitches. Michael Jackson only married 1. Michael Jackson was never a blood clot cheater. But you want 2 girls. And the girl must be okay because you want 5. Yeah, he's a nobody. He's a nobody. Nobody don't know you outside your blood clot country. So to each is them own. I am not telling you to discredit you from dating a popular guy or not. I'm just tell you what me think. And I don't usually get it wrong. I'll be very honest with you. That's why a lot of people call me annoying. Because I don't usually get my predictions wrong. We have CIA. I don't usually get my predictions are usually like 99.9. It's like fucking hand sanitizer. 99.9% accuracy. And the 0.1% that I did not get accurate, this probably wasn't your zodiac sign. CIA. Worse, they're with somebody famous. You have to know, so them recruited by the CIA already as a handler. So you have to think about that too. Even like the whole DaBaby and Danielle shit. DaBaby handler. After she made that comment out on social media, them get that DaBaby for handle her properly. And she said Danielle never recovered. Danielle never recovered from her career. He's a black woman turning against dark skinned woman for a dark skinned man. And when men, because usually that's how it is, when the man them take you for blood clot idiot and the girl them have your back. You think of the other man them? You think of the baby fans have Danielle back, and the same girl them who face is spitting now. The same girl them who you claim say, oh, him love me become a yellow bone, him love me become a skin complexion lighter than these bitches, and the same blood clot bitches them save you. Because that's one thing with girl, them will compete with each other and them jealous of each other, but them will have your back when man dog you. And them will be like, you see, you shouldn't have dealt with him. But you're hype off and give a hype on girl. Sweetie, my blood clot tell you something. You see, when I deal with man, I no blood clot hype on girl. I hype on other man. You for know that. When I deal with blood clot man, I no find girl for hype on. I no find girl for show my wedding ring. I no blood clot find girl for say, look, I'm my man. Thank you to my man. I hype on other man. For sure you say, you need to get you a bitch like how him get. You need to buy her a fur coat like you bought me. Hey maid, I see you in your maid outfit, right? I no hype on girl, but hype on men. I say, yo, where your girl there? Oh, you don't have none? Ooh. Okay, well, I'm gonna go home and massage my husband now, so see you later. A man my hype on. I'm not hype on girl. She need to go get one too. And the man them hype. Oh, you not select a girl yet? How old are you? 38? No bitches around? Or your bitches are like microwave bitches? You rotate them for 15 seconds and then you fuck them and it's gone. Okay, great. We have evil. You might say it's evil, but you know what else is evil? The fucking microwave, that's fucking evil, right? CIA and evil. What else we have? We have Capricorn. We have political agenda. And we also have Cancer. Some of them have Cancer. That's why them keep a fuck everything will move. And I say, I'm sorry, I'm gonna change. So you change your watch often. You change your car often. That's what you change. You don't change whether you need to use your penis or stop using your penis as often as possible. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.